Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change your server name on Discord. So first of all, launch Discord app on your mobile device. Now go to one of the servers and then tap on the server's name on top. Now once you are here, just tap on the option of Edit Server Profile. Now over here you can see your server nickname given. Just tap on it and you can edit your server name according to your choice. So now, after you have edited your server's name, you'll see the option of Save at the top right corner of your screen. So now, let's tap on the option of Save. Now, the next time you go back and then open your server profile again. Now let's open our server profile again. You can see that your name on the server has been changed. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.